This episode is a bit different. I want to show you my garage and you will get to know why I call this channel Tim's Messy Garage. And I don't have that much room for this car, especially when it's a big one. It's a Porsche Cayenne that I'm renovating. It would be nicer if it was a smaller one. I will give you a walkthrough of this garage and I have a lot of ideas what I can do with it, but I don't have the money to do it yet. Here's like a shelf with a lot of stuff, and some are not needed, but some are. Especially not needed for car renovation. For example, you can see this. This is my computer. And the story behind it is a bit funny. I needed to buy a new graphic card, which almost didn't fit the case. Then to power that graphic card, I needed a new PCU, which didn't fit the case either. I now need to have the computer open, which means that the airflow is pretty bad and it gets overheated, which means I then need to have this, like a working fan blowing at the computer when I'm playing. So it's sort of a, I don't know what to call it, home-built nuclear plant. And as you can see on the floor, it's some screws lying everywhere, some covers, more screws. The problem is that those screws is a bit hard to know where to fit. Obviously, when I removed them, I thought I will manage very easily to just fit them where I removed them from. But now, every time I see them, I'm pretty much aware that it will be really hard. And it's a lot of screws. To even fit the car into the garage, I needed to do this shelf up here, which I'm pretty fond of. It's a good way to get things off the floor. I also have this, of course, my old door that I removed. You can see it in another episode. This I can just throw away, I guess. Maybe I can sell it. This is the best thing. Look, this is nice. The thing is, when I'm using stuff, I don't put them back because it's, I don't know, time consuming. So they're laying around here in the garage somewhere. And there's a lot of limited, can you say that? A lot of limited space. And here you can see the limited space behind the car right now. So we still have the exhaust here and some things. And my family in general tends to put other parts, not parts of course, but other things in the garage because we don't have any other storage. One thing that really helped me from the beginning was to add this light. I think it's a big improvement to what I had before. I only had these two in the middle, the round ones. Still not as good as I want it to be because it's not the perfect light for videos and even fixing with the car. But if you like this channel, and many of you do, maybe I will have enough money to buy better lights. It's now standing on these, which I want to switch out to hydraulic ones so I can lift the car up. Now it takes almost an evening to put the car on these, which means if it wants within the garage on top of those, I will never take it out and try it. Which is a bit boring because I want to have more footage from outside of the garage too and test the car in between. That is not to do. Of course it's doable, but it takes so much time and I don't have that time. Another thing is that I'm pretty good at not finishing stuff. I like to start new things but not finish it. Which means that, for example, I don't have any lock on this door and I can't open it. Which means that I need to open the garage door, like, not what's it called, like this big. Which means I need to open this door instead every time I go in. That has now created some problem because that one doesn't work. I don't know why. I usually have a button to press, but now I need to lift the door up manually every time. And since that one is positioned over the car, which I can't move because I can, but it will take time. I'm not doing anything about it. Maybe I can actually climb up on the car, but I don't know. Doesn't feel good. Especially not on the windshield. I have some Porsche things here too. This one is a cool thing. It was actually a Christmas calendar thing where I opened something every day and was able to build this one. And this is how it should sound. Sounds pretty good, right? If you want to see more when I renovate this car and not only see my garage, subscribe to the channel and maybe do a thumbs up That will help me a lot. See you next time when I dig into the oil leak problem that I had in the last episode.